Today we will show how to make pending order with mobile. So stay with us, I will show you how to do this small task with mobile. Let's see some of its types this time. We may need to take one type of pending order at a time, so we need to see how many types first. As you can see on the screen, we can take buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, and sell limit. Now you may be a bit confused by these 4 types. However, we are clearing that too. When you realize that if the market goes uptrend to a certain position, the market trend will be very strong and will hold its trend, then you follow the buy stop. When we follow the inverted head and shoulders, we have to wait for the market to go up after creating a second shoulder and touch the neckline, and whenever it touches we take a buy entry. If you use a pending order at that point and follow the buy stop, you don't have to wait for the market to touch the neckline. Take a buy stop if the market is in an uptrend and you want to take a buy entry in a particular position. Conversely, follow the sell stop if the market is in a downtrend and you want to take a sell entry after the market moves to a certain position, then use a sell stop. When the market creates a second shoulder while following the head and shoulders, we have to wait for the market to go down and touch the neckline, but if you follow the sell stop, you don't have to wait. You can place an entry on your specified position in advance, and the entry will be running only when the market moves to your specified position, otherwise the entry will not be running. So far, I discussed sell stop and buy stop. Now let's see how to follow the sell limit and buy limit. When we follow support and resistance, we wait for the market to reverse. After we draw the support line or resistance line, we wait for the market to touch that line and reverse. But if you follow these 2 points of pending order, you don't have to wait. After setting up the support line, we wait for the market to touch it and hope to go to an uptrend after touching. In that case, if it touches, we will take a buy entry, so we have to wait. But if you follow the buy limit, then you don't have to wait any longer. You will write the price of the place where you will draw the support line in the buy limit option. By doing this, when the market touches your specified support line, the entry will be running, and you will profit when the market is in an uptrend. Conversely, you can follow the sell limit. When you set up a resistance line, you wait for the market to touch that line, because if it does, you will take a sell entry. But if you don't wait that long and use a sell limit, that entry will automatically become running when the market touches your resistance. That's why you write the price of the resistance line in the sell limit option. This way you don't have to wait any longer. In one entry, we show you how to use it and set up SL and TP. Here we have drawn a resistance level. Now expect the market to rise up to this level and then go downtrend again. Now without waiting, we will see at what price this resistance level is located. Next to the resistance is its price. We will write this price in the sell limit option. I went to the entry option and then I selected market execution, and from here I selected sell limit because we are expecting the market to go up and touch our line and go down again. Sell limit for that. We wrote that price in this option. Now we have entered our price. We need to enter SL and TP. So sure you know how to set it up. We believe that the market will move from our resistance level to a downtrend, so we will set up a TP on the downside. If we want to take a 30 pips TP, then 30 pips lower price will have to be written in the TP option. Then we set up SL on its opposite side. So we will write the price of the place where we will set up SL in the SL option. By doing this, you will have a look at everything we have done. Then click on the place option below, and the entry will be set up. But the entry will not be running immediately. When the market touches your price, that means it comes to your resistance level. The entry will be running. In this way, you can easily avail this facility on mobile too. Lastly, I will request you to subscribe to our channel if you don't subscribe yet.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house, or payment gateway. You must use the ForexBD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that ForexBD can meet your needs all the time.